Hello guys, this is a trendy airdrop on board now. The name is NPRO Airdrop, okay, on near ecosystem. Are you getting it? So the app is available on Play Store. You can download it, okay. I just downloaded mine now. Once you download it on, you open it, it will bring you to this interface and see you'll be seeing create wallet, import wallet. Don't go to import wallet, just click on create wallet, okay. Once you click on create wallet, you click on continue. Are you getting it? This is the continue. You click on continue. Are you getting it? Yes. All right. You now over here you have you say if you have a referral code, enter it below, okay. If you have a referral code here, you enter the referral code. So let me show you my referral code now. Are you getting it? Let me paste my referral code now. I paste it. Then after pasting it, to do what? You click on continue bot 47. All right. I've inserted the referral code. Look at what they are what they are saying here. Just look at it, read by yourself. You say your referral code has been successfully validated. Okay, you may continue. If your own didn't show this way, you know you didn't get it right. Okay, let's proceed. All right, after inserting your code now, the next thing you see, they will open your C phrase. They will disclose your NPRO C phrase. Okay, that C phrase, you need to be careful. Write it down. Don't disclose to anybody, so nobody will have access to your account. Are you getting it? So after that, you know, it will bring you to this place. Say, do you want to set up touch ID? I don't want to set up. I click on skip. Do you want to allow notifications? Yes, turn on. Okay, allow. Okay, there are no currencies yet. Meanwhile, you can add near backup wallets. Okay, so here you can equally buy near and transfer to this place. You can save near here. This near coin, you can save it here, okay. Are you getting it? So if you click on add near, you need to buy near. Are you getting it? So I've run the airdrop. So after that, you need to come here. This place have NPRO. This NPRO. Click on it. Let's see what is there. It says first, see this information. It says first 100K NPRO distribution. I get it. So you need to be among the first 100K NPRO distribution will be taking place. Yeah. How the distribution works, you need to navigate through this app very, very well. It said the airdrop will be ending in 16 days, 12 hours, 15 minutes, 39 seconds. See it here. The airdrop will ending in 16 days, 12 hours, 15 minutes, 26 seconds. Okay, so you still have time to mine it. You can equally come here to view the leaderboard. Let's click there and see what is happening. Okay, earn more points, climb the rank, and get more points. So these are the guys that have you know. Oh wow, see 2,500 NPRO, 1,500. Just check out these guys. Wow, can you see it? Okay, these are the people on the leaderboard. Are you getting it? So that is it. You come to, let's check on this setting and see what. All right, this NPRO airdrop is the native token of near. Okay, hot supposed to be the native token of near, but as it stands now, hot is building their own blockchain. So NPRO is the native token of near. Are you getting it? So every blockchain, every coin has its own native token. It's a coin. They have their own. They are working on their own blockchain. They are building seriously. Are you getting it? So you don't need to play with this airdrop. This airdrop is going to blow a lot of persons, you know, What I mean by blowing a lot of persons is going to print money as much as those that are serious with it. It's going to bring much money to those that take it serious. So if you have replayed with this airdrop, please wake up, sit up and farm it very, very well. All right, now you need to, this first 100 NPRO, okay, you need to hit before minute. All right, okay, share your link to your community, to your friends, okay, to join you in farming this airdrop. This is a very big airdrop, the native token of NPRO. Okay, they are working seriously, they're building seriously, you know, on this this very airdrop. And I want you to know that over $500 million has been raised for this airdrop. Over 500, you heard me well. Over $500 million has been raised for this project. So it's not a child's play, okay? Now, if you go down, if you scroll down, okay, if you scroll down, you see the tax. We need to run this tax, okay? Follow us on Twitter. You follow them, okay? Quote post. You quote post, you be given 5 points. Invite friends. If you invite friends, you be given another point, okay? Just like that. Just like that. Leave a review. You'll be given a point and the rest of it, okay? They say pre-stake near is coming soon. All right, that is it. Make sure you run this tax. By running this tax, you accumulate more points. Don't sleep over this project. This is a very big project, very big project. You don't need to play with, okay? Minute is at the corner. Minute is at the corner. It says start earning NPRO now. Start earning NPRO now. Go get ahead. It says start earning NPRO now. Get ahead and earn point to receive your first NPRO. We will distribute 100k NPRO among all participants based on your points. Do you hear that? Okay, I'm not the one that said it. So run all these tasks now, and okay, if you have any challenge, drop it in the comment section, okay? Check out the description of this video. You will see your referral code and the link. Don't sleep over this project. Thank you so much.